A new study reveals a chemical that can be harmful to your health is found in water in 43 states.
Recent news headlines, some misleading environmental reports, and even a Hollywood movie have put the spotlight on health and environmental problems caused by per- and polyfluoroalkyl substance chemicals, known as PFAS. PFAS are a group of man-made chemicals that have been manufactured and used in the United States since the 1940s. They have been used to fight fires and recover oil, and to produce medical equipment, food packaging, cleaning products, non-stick cookware, stain and water-resistant coatings, paints, inks, and cosmetics. PFOA and PFAS were among the first PFAS produced and remain the most well-understood and commonly detected. While PFOA and PFAS are no longer manufactured in the U.S., these legacy PFAS are still being manufactured abroad, are present in many imported products, and have already entered the environment. PFAS have also been found in blood samples of the general U.S. population and in the U.S. food supply. Resistant to heat, grease, and water, these forever chemicals eventually made their way into groundwater through landfills, conventionally treated wastewater, military sites, and other sources such as PFAS manufacturing sites, which are more prevalent in the eastern United States. Orange County's drinking water is safe to drink. Only water that meets state and federal drinking water standards and guidelines is served to Orange County residents.
In the movie Dark Waters, which is set over in West Virginia and Ohio, the PFAS contamination seen there in their drinking water sources was caused by a nearby manufacturing plant that was discharging those chemicals into the local water bodies. In Orange County, we're seeing low levels in Orange County's groundwater, which is a result of decades of use of products that contain those PFAS chemicals.
Currently, the state of California recommends that water containing above 70 parts per trillion combined for two types of PFAS known as PFOA and PFAS not be served to the public due to potential long-term chronic health risks. The federal EPA has also set a lifetime health advisory at the same level. 1 part per trillion is equivalent to 1 grain of sugar in an Olympic-sized swimming pool, just a few hours out of every million years, or 1 inch out of 33 round trips to the moon. OCWD has made smart investments in state-of-the-art technology that allows us to accurately test and monitor for PFAS and other contaminants of emerging concern at these very low levels.
Orange County Water District was the first public agency in California certified by the state to test for PFAS. Though state and federal advisory levels are legally different than enforceable standards, Orange County Water agencies take them very seriously and treat them as if they were requirements, and as such have removed impacted wells from service and substituted the supply with imported water. All these proactive solutions present challenges for water agencies, who are now having to rely more on costly imported water and invest heavily in expensive future PFAS treatment options.
State regulators are currently reviewing studies to determine if the current recommended levels should be lower, and have started the process to establish an enforceable maximum contaminant level for PFOA and PFAS.
In the meantime, OCWD has undertaken what's actually the nation's largest pilot program to look at methods to remove PFAS from groundwater. So we're testing 14 different products at pilot scale to simulate performance of a full-scale drinking water application. So this pilot, along with our local planning study that's looking at how this could all be implemented in our region, will provide much needed information as water retailers throughout Orange County determine what treatment options are appropriate and feasible.
OCWD will also be participating with researchers at UCI to further evaluate PFAS exposures and health impacts as part of a national PFAS health study funded by the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention.
While we didn't cause the PFAS problem, we are doing everything we possibly can to stay ahead of the issue and safeguard our water supplies. Our board is committed to investing in the resources and technology needed to address this important issue and in continuing to provide a high-quality water supply to the 2.5 million people we serve. This is OCWD's mission, and we will not waver. However, something also must be done to address the source of the problem. Otherwise, our drinking water will continue to be threatened by these chemicals. This is a very expensive problem to clean up, and water agencies and ratepayers can't be the only ones writing the checks. OCWD and our retailers have formed a PFAS task force and are actively working with regulators and legislators to come up with feasible, long-term solutions ranging from low-interest financing for water agencies constructing new treatment facilities to holding manufacturers who produce PFAS accountable.
In the meantime, be assured that OCWD and Orange County Water retail agencies are committed to delivering clean, safe water